Hello to everyone. Today I will present you a Magnavox top-loading VCR, and the model is VCR8405SL01, and it is only mono because it's very old. And yes, it is a top-loading. And let's power on the VCR. And I think it's from 1984, so it's 30 years old. Let's press eject. This cassette carriage opens, and also it's so old that the power button here, it's like erased. So let's insert a cassette. And now it's on play. And we have to hold fast forward like this for being the cue function. And now when I rewind when it's playing, the tape unloads because it sees that this reel is not turning, so the VCR stops. So let's take the cover off by removing this screw here, another here, and two which are here and here behind. So let's take the cover off. Okay, so now I have took the cover off, and so let's see the inside. The circuit board is all under this here. It's under the mechanism and it's here. And there we have the power supply, and here is the tuner. And here we have channels like this. And there is this plastic with numbers here that can go that we can remove. And here there are some channels here. And this is actually a Panasonic tape transporter. So let's eject. There's a gear here for the cassette carriage. And also it was very easy to take the cover off for an old VCR like this. I saw it's very easy to take apart for an old VCR. So let's close this and let's press play. It's a quite interesting mechanism. And the problem is this idler tire behind there. It's extremely worn out, and it cannot anymore transfer the motion to this reel and the other because it's too worn out. So it's a very common problem. And so let's see the mechanism closer. So the loading motor is under this. It's underneath here, and it drives a belt which drives a big pulley like underneath, and it drives some gears here and we'll take a look at this after, because I will remove the bottom cover. So let's insert a cassette again. And let's fast forward. Now it's working because there is no tape. But when it's a real cassette, it all eats it. So there it turns. So there we have the tape end center, the tape end sensor, and it also detects when there is a cassette. As we can see, when I put my fingers here, the tape logo appears, and it disappears when I remove my finger. So I can use the VCR without cassette. So let's hide this, and I will push play with my foot. And it's playing. So there we have the two tape guides, the head drum, the audio head, the erase head, and the pinch roller, and here the capstan. And under is the capstan motor that drive a belt, and the belt drive this underneath here, the idler. And so I will put back the cover, and we're gonna see the underneath. So here we have the underneath of the VCR, but unfortunately there is a big circuit board that hides all the mechanism. But at least we can see the loading motor and these gears. It's very interesting, and it's probably dangerous to touch this circuit board when it's plugged on, because it's the bottom of the power supply, so it's dangerous. So let's press play. Very interesting. Now it's on fast forward. So let's press stop again. And let's press eject. And the motor for ejecting is turning in one sense. Then when it's ejected, it returns in the other sense, because if it was not turning in this sense, it will not clip back like this. There we have the mechanism that clips the cover. So let's see again the when I press play. The motor is turning very well, and this belt is very good for a 30 years old VCR. So thank you for watching, and goodbye for another video.